So in this episode I'm going to be covering everything that you need to know about B-roll. So let's get started. Hey, it's AKAJK and today I have another vlog on the channel. In this episode I'm going to be heading off to Exeter. So it's like a sort of city in the southwest of England. So I'm going to get ready now and then we're going to head off there in the train. So the purpose of B-roll is basically to enhance your video and sort of give it an extra layer so it's less boring. And you see less talking heads like this and sort of more visual, less talking heads. I was going to be talking about this hotel we just arrived in. Instead of just talking about it for like a minute straight, I would show B-roll like this. And it just makes the video more interesting, so you can see I obviously use the show not tell filmmaking technique, which is really successful. So I don't want to keep this B-roll guide short, but obviously there are several other things that I haven't touched upon yet, so I'm going to talk about that right now. So in vlogs, videos, travel videos, whatever, say you're going to move from one place to another, you really should have a travel sort of segment montage in between that, because it's kind of boring where you just say, I'm in the hotel right now, next scene, I'm at the beach. You see, they want to see a sort of journey, story, journey, something that takes you from one place to the other. So it just feels more natural and it progresses much better. So bear that in mind. And if you can't lug a big heavy DSLR everywhere when you're traveling and trying to do daily vlogs or whatever, I mean, if you're doing daily vlogs, you should be doing that. But if you're in a situation where you can't, you have a phone. I have an iPhone 10 there, really good camera, shoots 4K at 60 FPS, slow-mo, time-lapse. You don't even need to have such a good camera on your phone. Anything should do.
Do you have a phone?
Yeah.
Well, then you have a camera. You have a camera. Like, don't overthink the quality. Like, I want you to do the work. Like, you gotta taste it. Like,
Content.
once you have the excuse that I don't have a camera yet, you're in excuse zone. Like, film a vlog tomorrow on, you have an iPhone?
No.
A Samsung?
A good camera.
Great. I don't care what you have. Flip phone. Like, if you have a camera on your phone, film it and put it out tomorrow.
And then you can film time lapses, montages, and then just sort of import it to your editing software and then link it. It doesn't have to be from the same camera. Just a bonus tip there. And also, as I was talking about previously, B-roll always cut to the beat. It just makes the video more satisfying, progresses much better, and it makes the video experience much more enjoyable. Also, I have a video that's already came out or should be coming out. It's on like top 5 iOS apps for iPhone 10. I'll leave a link in the description to that if it's out, or I'll just B-roll it. So you can see that video was completely B-roll and audio. There was no A-roll, no talking heads in it. And I want you to let me know what you think of it. Is it better? Is it not? But obviously the B-roll should make the experience much better. So anyway, I'm going to end this vlog right here. I didn't do that much today. It was a bit like, apart from going to, I mean, we went to several places, but apart from that, that was pretty much it. I'll see you in tomorrow's episode, because here at AKAJK, the grind is daily.